Okay, I've gone ahead and pressed the spring retainer down with the tool. I'll go ahead and release that snap ring in there. And we can go ahead and back that tool out. Which will let that spring retainer come right out of there. And then we'll be able to get the piston out. Snap ring, spring pack, and they are different between the forward and the direct drum, so be careful. Piston, 2 seals. That's it for the forward drum. Again, get your snap ring pliers in there. Go ahead and back that tool off. Snap ring. Now on this set here, you'll see the springs are loose compared to the spring plate for the forward. They're attached. These ones are not. They're separate. Now the snap rings for these 2 drums forward, they're the same size. And it's a spring retainer. And you have the piston, which in this drum you have a lip seal that points up. You can see him up. So there's actually 3 seals in this drum. And then 2 on the piston itself. Okay, one more thing on the back of the case. There is the governor here. It's just a big snap ring. If you just snap it off and work it out, it's just a big snap ring that holds that cover on. Just for safety. Then what you want to do is just get a screwdriver and a hammer, pound that cover off. I had a real hard time getting it off, so it took me a little bit, but sometimes they'll be seized in there. As you can see, I had to bend the edge of it. And then there is that governor in here. The only other thing left is the piston in the back of the case, the reverse piston. If you go ahead and remove these 2 bolts, which is your parking pole for your for park, goes in and locks on the output shaft. Take these 2 bolts out, and then go ahead and with your spring tool, go ahead and compress that. Take the snap ring out. Go ahead and blow in the very left hole at the bottom. You'll see a hole on the left hand side. Blow in there with there. That will pop that piston out of there. and you'll be able to take it out of the case. Okay, the only thing that's left in the case is the accumulator, and there's a hole at the back in the case. You can get a pick, go in and tap that. There's a snap ring in there, and you'll be able to go in and pry that snap ring out of there. There it is. Then once you get that snap ring out, you can get a pair of pliers, go in, grab this cover, work it out of the case. That's the cover. And there'll be a spring in here. You'll find this spring will be broken a lot of times. Very common. Then you have the accumulator piston in here. Now on that cover, that's the O-ring that goes around the cover and seals it, and it goes in the case. Okay, so that's about it for today. That's a total disassembly of the Turbo Hydromatic 350. What we want to do at this point is get everything cleaned up, get it in the parts washer, get all the parts cleaned up, case cleaned up, get a new gasket and seal kit, new clutches, new steels, whatever's required to do your rebuild. Then at that point we're going to come back at you with the total assembly video. So we've got a little bit of work getting it all ready also. So we'll get that ready, and then we'll talk to you soon. Take care from Swing Racing. Bye now. Yeah.